In this video, I'll show you how to set pay pin in Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through. I'm going to show you. Now, I've previously set my own pay pin, but I'm going to show you how you can be able to do that. Okay, open your Binance, click on this, click on this. Now, what you're going to do, I'm going to show you where you can be able to find it, so as you can be able to set your own personally. So click on security, click on this. If you look under the password option, you're going to be able to see the set pin option. Sorry, you're going to be able to see the pay pin option. So if you have not previously set yours, if you open it, so this is going to come out, right? So what you need to do, you need to come on here and select your own pay pin, right? You're going to be able to see set pin. So set yours, and once you're done, you're going to be able to get a confirmation code where you can be able to verify that you have currently set your own pay pin here on Binance. If you found this video, I appreciate your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.